So, sweetheart, are you enjoying your grape? You sure look like you're having fun with it. It seems like it's also all over your face. And now all over your leg. And all over the couch. But it's fun. It looks like it's fun. This is something new and exciting for you. I love you.